What's going on YouTube? In this video I want to talk about a subject that a lot of Amazon sellers don't talk about, but it happens to most of them, and that is on the topic of seller suspension. Now, this isn't something to really worry about unless you do something that's totally bad. A lot of people get their accounts suspended, but it's basically just because Amazon's trying to take proper precaution and just try to figure things out because their whole marketplace, they want it professional, they want people to keep coming and returning. So if your account gets suspended, that's because they want to ensure everything's all good on your end before they allow you to keep selling. So reasons of suspension could be from selling a brand you're not allowed to, using someone else's pictures, violating a trademark, authenticity of an item, late shipment rate, selling a used item as new, duplicate accounts, the product's not as advertised, and the list goes on and on and on. Now, Amazon themselves can figure out something's going on with your account and suspend you just by, their algorithm and everything that. Or you could also get reported by customers or even your competitors and get your account suspended. Now, for me personally, I've had my account suspended 3 different times. 2 of them were from competitors and 1 of them was from an actual legitimate reason. So without getting too into it, competitor-wise, what competitors can do, especially these sellers that have a really high feedback rating, been in the game for a while, they can lie about a certain product and say they have a trademark for it, or lie and say you stole their pictures and literally get your listing taken down or even your account taken down. With customers, they can say that something's wrong with a product or it just wasn't as advertised, and if you get a lot of those, then you can get your account taken down as well. And then with Amazon, with their metrics and everything, if you have late shipment, if you have bad customer feedback, if you list a product you're not allowed to sell, they can shut down your account as well. And you can get suspended for the most stupid reasons. My last suspension, so I've had 4 suspensions. I have 3 different Amazon accounts. One's a personal, one's an LLC, and the third one's an LLC. The third one where you're doing wholesale on. The third account, I was able to list this branded product because a lot of brands on Amazon, you need to require approval to list, okay? This one brand, I didn't need approval to list. So I listed it. It's been in inventory for about a month. And then account suspended saying I'm not allowed to sell the brand. But I was able to list it and I was able to sell it and it didn't ask for brand authorization. So I had no idea. So sometimes you just get suspended for the most stupid reasons and there's nothing you can do about it. Now, how to fight a suspension. So what you need to do, based on any problem or any suspension at all, the first thing you need to do is own up to your mistake. You need to be straightforward with Amazon and respond them in an email to appeal the decision of your suspension, and you need to tell them exactly what you did wrong and how you understand where you did wrong and like what you were thinking, and just literally own it. Now, the second step you need to do is tell them the actions that you're going to take to not do that again. So whether that be listing products that you weren't allowed to list, literally delete the entire inventory, delete the product listing through your inventory, and then tell them like, this is the next steps we're gonna do. We're not gonna sell this brand. If we ever decide to sell brands again, we're gonna contact that brand and ask for approval. But basically have an entire plan of action showing them that you put in work and you put in effort to make sure that that will never happen again. So that's as far as it goes for a legitimate reason. Now, if you are suspended by a competitor or like a reason you don't know, like something that doesn't make any damn sense at all, you need to let Amazon know that. For example, I have been suspended for stealing someone else's listing, or no, not listing, stealing their other pictures and basically stealing their trademark product. What I ended up doing was showing them that the products that I took were literally mine. It's from my camera. It was not from theirs. Okay, and then I also was able to show them that that product itself is not trademarked, and this is my own version of the product, and this is my product with a label on it. And I was able to test, I would buy their product, had it shipped to me, showed what my product looked like, took pictures and sent that to Amazon. Now, I hope you never get suspended, but if it does happen to you, you know the steps to take. And if you're already watching this video and you're currently suspended, you know the steps to take. Just know that you need to be patient with it. Do not keep sending Amazon emails because you will be pushed back farther in their system, but just be professional, just right to the point. This is what we did wrong. This is how we're not gonna do it again. Also, for those people that play really shady on Amazon and get other people suspended just because you don't want competition, you absolutely suck, and I hope that Amazon comes out with something better in the future that will prevent you from doing stuff like that. That's gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. Like I said, if this ever happens to you, don't be scared. It's part of the whole process. I mean, we are leveraging Amazon's marketplace. We have to be very thankful for that. And just be consistent with it, be professional, and you should be able to keep on continuing selling as long as you have great work ethic. So drop a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the other videos. Take care.